Hi everybody, this is Maurice. A couple of weeks ago, I made a short video on how to make a no-sew face mask. Most of the face masks that you see in the market and most of the tutorial that you see on how to make face masks, they usually only have it's a one size fit all mask. But based on my experience, it doesn't fit on everybody. The mask that I made was just one size. It's too tight on my son, but it's too loose on my daughter. So the solution to that is to make an adjustable elastic for the face mask. So this video tutorial is going to show you on how to easily make it. And on this tutorial, I'm sewing my mask because I want my mask to last a long time, so that you can wash it and you can alternate it and wash it. And you can still watch my other video for the no-sew face mask. I still have that no-sew face mask with me, and it has held up for quite a few washes. But I know if you don't have a sewing machine, you can hand sew it. So it's very simple. So stay tuned and let's get going. The top here, before we're gonna have to sew it first. We are going to have the fabric like that facing together, and you want to sew with a running stitch up the top. You want to sew the other side. So now you flip it over like this. And then now you want to fold it. Okay, so this side here. So now you have this, and it can open up like that. Okay, so now we're going to get our elastic. So get the 1/4 elastic and cut two 10.5 elastic. So get your beads. So I have these beads. Make sure the beads that you have has a big hole, because there's different beads, and some of the beads have a tiny hole in there. So get the one. I'll show you a link where to get those beads, okay? And so you're gonna need 4. So first you're going to insert the elastic inside here and put it in the center. See right there, center. And then put the second bead. Put both elastic on the second bead. See there. So you can tighten it like that, or you can loosen it like that. So now what you're going to do is we're going to sew this elastic on the ends here, okay? So now you have this. Now you want to fold this so you won't see the raw edges. This is how the front looks like, and this is how the back looks like. Okay, so it's that one there. Now since I'm making this for myself, I'm gonna try it on. So now let's try it on. See right here? Okay, you want to adjust it like that, or you can, to loosen it, you pull this up here. To tighten it, you pull this closer. So let's see how it works. See right there? You might want to, if there's a lot of allowance here, you can adjust the length of the elastic when you cut it. So this is 10.5. So you might want to adjust it to, let's say, 8. If you want to do that, or 8.5. Okay, if you have too much allowance here, you can adjust it. Because cut the elastic, when you cut the elastic, you want to cut it between 8 to 10. So 8 to 10 inches. So I tried the first time I made one for myself, I did a 10.5. It was too big. There's a little bit of extra. So the next time I'm going to make this one, I'm going to try to make it 8. Okay, so you might want to make an adjustment. It depends on how wide or how long your fabric is. So this one here, this is 10. This is 10 inch. Pretty much covers a lot, so I might have to try an 8. Now if you have a shorter fabric, then you're gonna have to make your elastic longer.